Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel DIY craft videos. How are you all guys? Hope you all are fine and good. In this video today I am going to show you TiP flowers in different styles. Very beautiful and pretty flowers these are. I really hope that you will like these designs and these ideas. If you are my new viewer and you are watching my video first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the daily latest updates. In this video, you will see very pretty and beautiful TiP flowers. These crafts are for kids and for toddlers both. If you like this video and if you are interested in this video, then please press the like button and let me know in comment section if you want to see more ideas about cotton birds craft. So keep watching my videos, keep supporting me. If you have any request or if you want to ask me any question about these ideas, then you can comment me in comment section. I will reply on your comment and fulfill your request as soon as possible. Please share my videos with your friends, with your colleagues, at social sites, at social groups. In my next video, I will show you more ideas in different style and in different craft ideas. So don't go anywhere guys, keep watching my videos. So thank you so much guys, take care of yourself. I will be back soon with my new videos, with my new ideas. Please take care of yourself, remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy, keep smiling and keep supporting me. Thank you so much guys. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you. Always be happy, keep smiling. Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.